Hi, I'm Sudeep. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Water Science.
Hi, I'm Pavitra. I lead e-commerce and digital marketing at Water Science.
We started Water Science back in 2014, and after 2 years of extensive R&D, launched our first product in 2016. We decided to launch India's first shower filter because the water quality in Bangalore was really bad and there was no product available at that time in India. As a new brand, it's very difficult for you to find offline distributors. And Amazon gave us instant access to millions of customers across India overnight. As of now, we are registered in more than 10 clusters across India, which helps us cater to local demand with one-day prime delivery.
Of the 40 plus products that we offer, almost 16% of them are in the bestseller list.
Using the Amazon dashboard and account manager support, we are able to get first-hand insights into customer behavior and demand patterns. Brand analytics help us identify product groupings from searches and keywords to create combos and customized deals for our customers. The voice of customer feature is especially useful because we can see changes in customer sentiment in real time and improve or introduce new products.
Typically, we try out different affordability levers for the sale events. We've tried out coupons, we've tried out BXGY, but what has worked the best for us has been the lightning deals. We configure lightning deals for all our top SKUs, and that typically gives us about 80% of sales during the sale event. This recent Prime Day, the lightning deals actually helped us do 3x of last year. We're really looking forward to the Diwali event this year. We have stocked up on the inventory, we've lined up a bunch of new launches, and of course, we've got the best offers for our customers. So I'm really hoping for a great Diwali this year.